That's just... I don't think I've ever seen that much action in a storm cloud in years. That's just non-stop lightning. How fucking impressive is that? I love it. It's beautiful. Oh man, I wish I could chase it. Shit, man. Totally electric. Yeah, okay, obvious. But just look at that shit. Fuck yes. It just won't stop. It just will not stop. This is along Windsor Road looking out towards Clayfield, I think. I don't know. It's definitely east. I think it's north, actually. North, yeah. So that's looking north, so that's... I don't fucking know, but that's just damned awesome. Let's see if I can catch more of that. Jesus Christ, man. How awesome is this shit? Have you ever seen anything this impressive in your fucking life? No way! Holy awesome, wow. Alright, I gotta keep driving. Shit, man. This is what I gotta make sure I don't crash for. This awesome. It's just lightning everywhere. Non-stop electrical activity. This is just the shit. I might be a little bit too excited by this, eh? Loving it. I wish I had a real fucking camera for this shit too. Awesome. Holy fucking awesome. Superb.